How can I make people buy sooner and buy more when they do buy? I have tried a bunch of different methods. The main thing that I've always done is, I came from the Sam Ovens era as well. So it's like call funnel, VSO, call funnel. And I will say that if you were spending less than 30 grand a month on ads, call funnel's the way to go. I'd say 98% of people that have call funnels have not optimized their call funnels even 1/10 of the efficiency that it should be. A great example is Caleb and Sam here. They have an awesome offer, and they're spending like around 100 grand a month on ads. And they're going to show them the low ticket. They're going to get all excited, and they may try to run it. But I told them yesterday when I was talking to them, I said I still wouldn't run the low ticket funnel because I won't ask you guys. The main reason behind that is because they already have a mechanism that's working. They have a call funnel, and they have a lead mechanism. They have a sales mechanism. They have a traffic mechanism. Their biggest issue right now is trying to get more cash in per close and increase the cash ROI. But I showed them some really simple ways, such as firing some of their salespeople, that they can increase their cash per close. So it's like, cool. We had, when Sam was closing just for the company, they're crushing it. It was like 2 something X ROI on cash. It was working. They took in new salespeople, and then it stops working so well. So very simply, it's obvious that they need to fire their salespeople. And like they were talking about the low ticket funnel. And the reason I'm telling this story here is because, they're spending 100 grand a month on a call funnel. And I told them not to run the low ticket funnel yet. So I'm going to show you guys. Does everyone see the low ticket, high ticket funnel comparison? Is that cool with you guys? Yeah. Okay. Because once again, for majority of people in here, this will not be the step you take right now. But I think there's a bunch of lessons to be had in this here. Right? Because it's just simply low ticket, high ticket, side ticket, right? It's a lead mechanism. That's all it is. We just changed the lead mechanism. That was the only thing we did. So that's how you view. Every single time someone talks to you, and every single time someone's trying to sell you on something, just understand that they're just trying to sell you their lead mechanism or their traffic mechanism or their sales mechanism. That's the only thing. Group funnel is the only thing that works. Cold email is the only thing that works. Never, ever work with somebody that talks like that, ever. They do not understand foundations and fundamentals of a business. Okay, I've been blessed enough to look inside literally thousands of businesses, many of them in the 7 or 8 figure mark, and all of them have the foundations down. They may not call it what I call it, but they have the foundations down.
If you want my help installing any of these systems in your business done for you, be sure to book a call with my team down below.